Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best mini dishwasher is probably one of the most convenient kitchen appliances for small spaces, offering a compact yet powerful solution to tackle your daily dishes without the need for a full-size installation, making it an ideal choice for apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, or any home where space is at a premium, and it's designed to efficiently clean your tableware, cutlery, and glassware with minimal water and energy consumption, ensuring sparkling results every time. Number 5. Handheld battery-operated travel coffee frother. Get rich, creamy milk foam in 15 seconds or less. It's perfect for your morning coffee, latte, cappuccino, or hot chocolate, and works with both hot and cold drinks. This frother is designed for life on the go. Powered by included AAA batteries and featuring a protective storage tube, it fits easily into your bag for frothy drinks anywhere. Crafted with a powerful motor and food-grade stainless steel whisks, it offers durability and a quiet operation. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip. Simply press the button to create foam. Cleaning is a breeze, just rinse the whisk or pop it in the dishwasher. If you love foamed milk, you'll adore this battery-operated stirrer. Enjoy a fantastic and fabulous experience with every use. What we like. If you love frothy coffee drinks but hate the hassle, this is for you. It whips up foam in seconds and comes with a travel tube, making it perfect for on-the-go or small kitchens. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to elevate your daily coffee or hot chocolate, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. It is very convenient to use, just connect the water inlet and outlet, and it can be used directly. The design is very compact and does not take up space, which is very suitable for small kitchens. It has multiple washing modes, which can meet different cleaning needs. Number 4. Hermitlux Countertop Dishwasher. Tired of washing dishes by hand? This countertop dishwasher brings convenience to your kitchen, no matter the size. It's designed to fit seamlessly into your life and your space. Don't let its size fool you. This portable dishwasher boasts a 4-place setting capacity, easily accommodating up to 10.25-inch dishes. It's perfect for small households. Choose from 5 specialized washing programs to tackle any load. From a quick rinse to a deep clean, it ensures your dishes get a streak-free sparkle every time. Beyond just cleaning, it offers a drying function using high temperature and hot air. This is ideal for baby products and greasy items, leaving glassware spotless and odor-free. Enjoy flexible installation with 2 water supply modes. Use the built-in tank for instant use or connect directly to a faucet. It's ready to go wherever you need it. The unique glass door lets you monitor the washing progress at a glance. With intuitive touch controls and a compact design, it's a perfect fit for apartments, dorms, and even RVs. What we like. For those in apartments or small homes who crave the convenience of a dishwasher, this is a game changer. Its compact size and built-in water tank mean no plumbing is required, and you can watch it work through the glass door. If you're looking to save time and effort on dishes without a major kitchen overhaul, this is the perfect fit. What people say. It is very compact and doesn't take up much space on the counter. The dishwasher is surprisingly quiet when it runs. It cleans dishes effectively, even baked-on food. Number 3. Portable Countertop Dishwasher. Introducing our compact countertop dishwasher, designed for modern living. It offers multiple wash programs to tackle any cleaning need with ease. With its intelligent design, it features built-in lights and an air-dry function for optimal performance. Enjoy a streak-free deep clean every time. Its portable size makes it ideal for apartments, dorms, or even RVs. It conveniently fits a variety of dishes, up to 12 inches in diameter. The intuitive LED digital control panel provides a clear view of all settings. An automatic water level indicator ensures you always have the right amount of water. Choose between filling it via the built-in tank or a water hose, included for your convenience. This offers ultimate flexibility for any setup. It accepts pods, liquid, or powder detergents. For longer cycles, detergent tablets are recommended to ensure a complete dissolve. What we like. This option is ideal for anyone with limited counter space who still want sparkling clean dishes. It offers multiple wash cycles, including a fruit wash, and the flexibility to fill it via its tank or a hose. If you're in a dorm, RV, or small apartment and want a versatile, easy-to-use dishwasher, this is a great contender. What people say. It's a compact and portable design, perfect for small kitchens or RVs. The dishwasher has multiple wash cycles to choose from, including a quick wash and a heavy-duty cycle. It effectively cleans dishes, removing grease and food residue with ease. Number 2. EUHOMY Countertop Dishwasher. Get sparkling clean dishes without any hassle. You can use the built-in water tank or connect it to your faucet. It's perfect for apartments, RVs, and any kitchen where you don't want permanent installation. Enjoy a peaceful home environment. This dishwasher operates at a quiet 40 decibels, so you can run it anytime without disturbing your work, sleep, or relaxation. It not only washes your dishes thoroughly but also dries them with hot air. Plus, it features automatic ventilation for up to 73 hours to keep them fresh and odor-free. Don't let its compact size fool you. This dishwasher fits easily on your countertop and can hold over 30 items, including plates up to 10.25 inches, bowls, cups, and cutlery. It's designed to handle your daily dishes, baby items, and pet accessories efficiently. Just scrape off heavy residue, and it will take care of the rest. Choose from 6 different programs to suit your needs, including quick, ECO, baby care, and fruit modes. The high-temperature wash reaches up to 167 degrees Fahrenheit for a deep clean. This dishwasher uses less water than hand washing and is certified for efficiency. It's built for daily reliability and comes with a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. If you live in a shared space or an open-plan apartment and need a dishwasher that won't disrupt your peace, this is your answer. It runs at a whisper-quiet 40 dB and offers a dedicated baby care mode for extra hygiene. If you prioritize a quiet environment and thorough cleaning for sensitive items, this model is designed for you. What people say. This dishwasher is very compact and doesn't take up much counter space. It's surprisingly quiet when running, which is great for my small apartment. The different wash cycles are effective, and it cleans dishes thoroughly. Number 1. Fullstar Portable Blender, White. Enjoy fresh, delicious beverages wherever you are. This compact blender makes creating your favorite smoothies and shakes incredibly easy. With simple one-button control and clear measurement marks, preparation is a breeze. And when you're done, the dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup effortless. Equipped with robust stainless steel blades, it effortlessly crushes fruits, vegetables, and ice. You'll achieve perfectly smooth results every time. It's not just for smoothies. Use it to prepare baby food, fresh juices, or even cocktails. It's a must-have for any kitchen. Feel confident with its UL certification, ensuring it meets strict safety standards. A cleaning brush is included to keep it in top condition. What we like. For the busy individual who wants healthy options on the go, this portable blender is a must-have. Its small size makes it perfect for the office or travel, and it's powerful enough to handle fruits, veggies, and ice. If you're looking for a convenient way to make smoothies and shakes wherever you are, this is the ideal solution. What people say. It is very compact and doesn't take up much space. It cleans dishes well and is very quiet. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well in my small kitchen. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.